we are going to do reading of chapter 6 of your English reader book, The Hot Spoon. The hot spoon. Do you know what is the meaning of hot? Hot means garm. Okay. And the meaning of a spoon is chammach. As you see in your figure, this figure, you can see a spoon and some vapors are coming out. Okay. So इससे पता चलता है कि ये स्पून क्या है, hot है. Okay. Here are some new words in your book. Plate. You are very familiar to plate, क्योंकि हम लोग जिसमें खाना खाते हैं उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, प्लेट बोलते हैं. Yes. Spider. Spider means मकड़ी. आप देखते हो ना दीवालों पर 8 legs वाले कीड़े चलते हैं जो वेब्स बनाते हैं, जाले बनाते हैं, उन्हें मकड़ी कहते हैं, स्पाइडर कहते हैं. ओके. लूज मीन्स ढीला. ओके. जो थोड़ा बहुत लूज होगा उसे ढीला कहेंगे. वाइप्स मीन्स साफ सफाई करना, पोंछना. ओके. सो फर्स्ट वी डू पिक्चर रीडिंग. Okay. You can see here is a boy who is looking out from the window in his room. Okay. And you can see in his room there is a bed. The color of bed sheet is green and a pillow with green color, a plant, a table, a doormat, a ceiling fan, and a painting hanging on the wall. In the second picture you can see the view of a zoo, because Tom lives near the zoo. So outside the window he can see zoo view. Okay. In zoo some geese are swimming in the pool. Some animals also looked here. Okay. Look, they are in cage. And in the third picture you can see Tom near the table, and food that is put on the table. A table cloth is green. Okay. And now start reading of this page. Tom is in the room. The room is cool. Tom lives near the zoo. Tom looks out of the window and the room is near the zoo. The moon is in the sky. The geese are in the pool. Tom wants food. The food is on the table. There is a spoon in the plate. The spoon is hot. Tom picks the spoon. Now look at this picture. Tom is sitting on the chair and he spills the food. Okay, spill. In this video, in this picture, Tom is sitting on the chair and he spills all the food. Spills means गिरा देना. Okay. देखिए आप सब फूड सारा गिर गया है ना. So Tom spills all the food, and in this picture Tom is standing near the bed and he looks on the roof and he saw a spider. Spider is making a loop and Tom is holding a broom in this picture and swiping the loop. Okay, let's start reading of this page. Oh, look at the food. Tom spills the food. Tom looks at the roof. A spider makes a loop. The loop is loose. Tom takes a broom. Tom is on the stool. Tom wipes the loop with the broom. So children, you have to do reading of this chapter 2 or 3 times, and you have to find out difficult words and write down in your English notebook. Okay. and read the book. Thank you. Bye.